All right, Jerome Powell's about to speak, and Wall Street has its seatbelt fastened. CNN's Carolyn Woods joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Hello to you, Caroline, and let me just say this. Today is a big day for the Fed chair. Will he soothe the markets, or will he send them into a tailspin?
Well, we're about 12 minutes into the trading day, and we're seeing some optimism. There's some green arrows right now. So at least right now, there are some gains, but we'll see after he speaks, because in just a little while, Chesley, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will make a major policy speech. The speech at the Fed's annual conference in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, is likely to map out how officials plan to battle inflation in the future, obviously a hot topic. And Wall Street will be looking for some indication from the Fed on interest rate cuts. Powell has been under attack from President Trump for not lowering its key interest rate, the Fed's key interest rate. Right now, most on Wall Street expect a rate cut at the Fed's policy meeting in September, so there's a lot of interest in this speech. It's likely this is Powell's last address from the annual conference as his term ends next May. But it's been a losing week, and we are seeing some green right now, so investors are upbeat.
All right, yeah, we'll keep watching that very closely. All right, Elon Musk's ride is under more than just an autopilot scrutiny. It looks like D.C. safety watchdogs just hit the brakes with a formal probe, right?
Yeah, safety regulators are looking into Tesla's reporting of crashes. Automakers have to report collisions involving either partial or full automated driving systems within 5 days from when they become aware of the crash. But regulators say there are numerous incidents with Teslas that happened several months before the dates on the reports that were filed. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is looking into whether Tesla is in compliance with its reporting requirements. Regulators say the delays were likely due to an issue with Tesla's data collection, which Tesla says has been fixed. All this comes as Tesla CEO Elon Musk works to persuade investors of the potential for the automaker to become a global leader in autonomous vehicles. All those efforts include showing its self-driving systems are safe enough to operate fleets of robo-taxis on public roads in the U.S. I know you have Waymo in Atlanta, Chesley. Do you ever take any of those?
I haven't yet, but maybe soon, maybe one day soon. But I want to make sure it's safe, though, safer, at least in my view. All right, so this could be a bad movie title, thriller. It's called The Attack of the Radioactive Shrimp. What's the FDA saying about this ongoing recall?
Yeah, the recall of shrimp due to possible radioactive contamination is now being expanded, actually. The recall now includes frozen, raw, and cooked shrimp sold under a variety of brands from Southwind Foods. The brands include Sandbar, Arctic Shores, Best Jet, Great American, and First Street. Earlier this week, frozen shrimp sold at Walmart under the Great Value brand was recalled. All of the shrimp was packaged by a company in Indonesia under what the FDA says appears to be conditions that were not sanitary. The worries are that the shrimp could be contaminated with a radioactive isotope. Chesley, I had shrimp last night. Wish I checked the packaging before I did this story. It was from Costco. I hope it wasn't one of those brands.
You're feeling good, right?
I feel great, but I don't know. Do you feel the effects of radiation or radioactive isotopes right away? I don't know. If I start to turn neon, we'll know.
Or something starts growing somewhere, then you know what it is. You should know what it is. Caroline, thanks so much for joining us. Really appreciate you.